Well, one of the key things I wanted to do, first of all, is show, our support from an IBM perspective for the partnership, because it's important to us, and we wanted to convey that to Aras as well as to the clients. And also, I've really enjoyed hearing some of the stories from the clients, hearing about the transformation they've experienced through the adoption of Aras and the benefits and value that they're receiving from the products.
What I like the most, let's say on this conference, was all those keynote presentations. I really like this openness, so that the presenter, even coming from very big and respected companies, they really openly share all the problems they have. This openness is very, very unique. Also the roadmap, the experiences. We talk a lot with the community members. It's a mixture of everything.
Microsoft had a really great presentation this year, and they talked about the way that they basically implement new technologies, implement new systems. They were talking about Aras Innovator specifically, but it was nice to see a company of that size still be that nimble.
Well, my favorite part is the CEO address, the keynote address is always, I consider as the set the stage for the vision, where Aras is going, and that's really helped us plan our side of the business also, what this solution can offer.
Shooting the breeze with Peter and Rob, and that's always fun, because they're on the bleeding edge, and they have the scars to prove it, and it's just great to understand what are the things that are coming. Because again, I got my head down most of the time, so this is my chance to get my head up.
My favorite part is always seeing new functionality. Talking to Rob McElvaney and seeing the roadmap for the future enhancements that are coming, the addressing of a full integration of enterprise systems like manufacturing execution system, variant models, that are things that have always been required in a PLM system that haven't been addressed by other PLMs?
Yeah, I think when I look at the Aras roadmap and the future stuff that Rob's working on as an example, those are things that help me shape our PLM strategy as we go forward. I think those are things I've learned. I'm also excited about the supplier or the actual discussion threads that have been built into Aras. That's a pretty exciting development that is going to allow us to, I think, do better collaboration as we go forward. And we worked on that, we talked about that several years ago at one of the ACEs, so it's really great to see it kind of moving forward, and it's becoming integrated into the product the way it's becoming integrated. It's a great thing.